Today I'm going to be making chicken shawarma. It is absolutely delicious. So I'm starting off with 2 chicken breasts, and all I'm doing is cutting these in thin slices and putting those into my bowl. I'm going to take a plastic bag, and into that I'm going to pour a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, a whole natural yoghurt. Here I have my spices. I have coriander, I have cumin, turmeric, I can't remember what the rest is, but as I said, it's all coming up. In here I have 2 tablespoons of lemon. Now all I'm going to do is mix this together in my bag. Then I'm going to tip my chicken in, and I'm going to give that a jolly good mix around. Now, that's my chicken base done. I'm now going to put this in my fridge to marinate for 2 hours. Well, I'm just about to make my shawarma sauce for my recipe. So, I'm using my blender here. Now you need to use either a proper blender or something like this, because all this sauce needs to break down beautifully. So I'm starting off with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Into that I'm going to be putting 3 tablespoons full of sesame seeds, and this is what we need to break down with our spices. I have a tablespoon of vinegar. Now I'm using apple cider vinegar because I like that. Then we've got our spices. We have 3 teaspoons of garlic, lots of garlic. We have black pepper, we have oregano, and we have half a teaspoon of salt. Finally, we've got 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, which works out to be about half a cup if you're in America. Now all we have to do is blitz this until it's a really lovely smooth consistency. Oh, and there we go. There's our beautiful shawarma sauce all ready to go on our meal. Beautiful. Oh, there we are. Well, my chicken has marinated beautifully. So I have some oil to go in my pan, tongs to pick up my chicken. I've also got these fajita wraps that I made a few days ago and sealed and put in my bags with my heat sealer, so they're nice and fresh. I've got my shawarma sauce here. I have a chilli sauce that I've just made, and all it is chopped tomatoes, some onion, bit of basil, chilli, and that's all good to go there. The last thing I've got here is 2 tablespoons of flour mixed in with some hot water, so it's gone really gluey. Because you can either just wrap these and eat them with salad, or you can do the authentic method, which is what I'm going to be doing today. So let's start. Oil into my pan, and all I'm going to do is let that sort of heat up. I'm not going to cook all my chicken now because I'm doing this for dinner tonight. So I'm going to pick out a couple of bits of my, oh look at that, marinated chicken. So that should be enough to go down the middle of my wrap. So all I'm going to do is start cooking this chicken through. It smells absolutely wonderful. All those spices we put in, oh, beautiful. So I'm going to put my chicken over there because I've got some green peppers, bell peppers here, and I've got some shredded cabbage, and I'm just going to cook that off really, really quick in a moment. Oh, look at this. I'm going to put the veg in the same oil. I'm not going to overcook this. I just want a nice bit of veg. Now you can use all sorts of different vegetables. You don't have to use what I'm using now. There's huge variations that are used. Everything from Chinese bok choy through to turnips, potatoes, all sorts of things. So let's give these a little bit of a cook off over this side because I still want some crunch in those. Okay, I think that's done. So I'm going to make up my wrap now. Right, my chicken's cooked. So I'm going to grab me a wrap. First thing I'm going to do is put a nice dollop of my shawarma sauce on. Don't be shy with it. Then I'm going to go with my chilli sauce, and I've left my tomatoes whole. Give it a good ladle. There we go. Ooh, I've just found that everywhere as usual. Oh my God. Gonna pick up my chicken, and that's going here. Then gonna go on top with my veg. And there we are. Now, what I'm going to do is fold the bottom of my wrap up. And I'm going to put some of my glue on there. This one is coming in, and I want a little bit of glue on here. Because I'm going to wrap that in. Now we definitely need a bit of glue here. Just give it a go. It's only flour, and this will cook fine with our wrap. And then we're going to fold it up so it's sealed. There we go. Not looking too shabby at all. I'm putting my heat on full, and I'm going to just put some butter on my pan. There we go. Then I'm going to put my shawarma in, up that way. If you've got a griddle pan, it's nice because you get those sort of lines in it. Now we're just going to let that cook until it's sealed and it's nice and crisp on the bottom. It won't take long to do at all. When it's cooked that side, I'm going to flip it over and just crisp up the other side. Just give it a zhuzh in my pan. There you go. See, you don't need much in the way of butter. All we're doing is crisping these up. Look at this, lovely. And there we are. There is my chicken shawarma. Now you can see if you make these up in advance, you can put these on your barbecue and you'll get those lovely sort of lines on them. I think I'm going to pick mine up, I'm not going to bother with that. Which end shall I eat? This one. Oh look. Oh, that is delicious. Oh, hot and delicious. Look at it. Those sauces are brilliant. Absolutely wonderful. What a brilliant thing. I'll put the link on my description for these wraps because they are absolutely delicious anyway, and you can make those in advance. You can make these in advance. Once you've made these up, you can actually freeze these and then take them out and fry them off when you want them, or, as I said before, put them on your barbecue. Absolutely fantastic. Well, if you liked what you saw, please like, share and subscribe to see me making more delicious, homemade, cost-effective food. Thank you for watching.